How to delete RedNote account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open up the RedNote application in your mobile device. Once you open the RedNote app, you'll have to go ahead and log in to your RedNote account. Now once you're logged into your account, go ahead and simply tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. And once you're inside the profile section, go ahead and tap on the settings icon right over here. Now from settings, you want to go ahead and tap on account security. Now in this page, simply scroll below and then you'll find an option that says account cancellation. Go ahead and tap onto it. Now inside this page, you want to make sure that you have entered the mobile number right over here. After you enter the mobile number, you want to go ahead and tap here. And after you tap on that, you'll then receive a verification code on your mobile device. You want to go ahead and type in the verification code in this box. And once you have the verification code right over here, simply tap on this red icon. Now after you do that, you'll then be able to land in this page. Now from this page, you want to go ahead and tick on this box. And once you tick onto it, you'll be able to find this red icon. So when you tap onto it, you'll then successfully be able to delete your RedNote account. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.